Have you ever heard someone say, "Hi, how are you?" And suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You know the words, you know the grammar, but in that moment, your chest feels tight, your heart beats fast, and silence wins. Listen to me for a second. You are not the only one. Every English learner has felt this fear, this tiny moment that suddenly feels huge. But here's the beautiful truth. Small talk is not about perfect English. It's about connection. It's about courage. It's about choosing to speak, even when you're scared. And today, I'll help you take that step. Imagine this. Tomorrow, you meet someone new. They smile at you and say, "Nice to meet you." What happens next? Do you freeze? Do you look down? Or do you lift your head, smile back, and take that brave little step? Because the difference is not knowledge, it's practice. And you're going to practice with me right now. Small talk is simple. It begins with easy questions. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? These tiny lines open big doors. You don't need complicated sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need a little confidence and a few seconds of courage. If someone asks, "How are you?" you can simply say, "I'm fine, thank you. How are you?" That's enough. You are enough. Now, picture this. You're standing at a bus stop. Someone next to you says, "The weather is nice today." Your heart races. Your mind panics. But you don't stay silent this time. You whisper, "Yes, it's very sunny." Or, "Yes, I really like this weather." And just like that, you did it. You joined the conversation, not with perfect English, but with courage. That's how your English starts to flow, not in one day, but moment by moment, small talk by small talk. Here's a secret. Stop translating in your head. Let English come naturally. If someone says, "How's your day?" don't search for perfect grammar. Just say, "It's good," or "It's busy but good." That is real English. That is real connection. That is you becoming confident, one sentence at a time. And maybe you're thinking, "But what if I make a mistake?" Let me tell you something powerful. Mistakes are not a sign of weakness. They are proof that you're trying. People don't laugh at you. They admire you. Think about anyone who ever tried to speak your language. Even with mistakes, you respected them, didn't you? That's exactly how people see you. Brave, growing, stronger every day. So let's practice together. Say these lines out loud. "Hi, how are you?" "I'm good, thank you." "Where are you from?" "I'm from your country." "What do you do?" "I'm a student." These sentences may be small, but they hold power. They unlock confidence. They open doors. They help your voice rise a little louder each time. Now, imagine this. Tomorrow, someone smiles at you and says, "Hello." What will you do? Will you look away? Or will you answer back with courage? Your future self is shaped by moments like this, and I know you. You will choose to speak. Because you are learning, you are growing, and every small talk is your chance to shine a little brighter. If this message inspired you, don't stop here. Practice these lines again after the video. Comment your favorite small talk line below. I'd love to read it. And remember, your voice matters. Your English matters. And you're doing better than you think. I'll see you in the next video.